A. She has gone to Spain 3 times last year. B. She went to Spain 3 times last year. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Went is correct because the simple past tense is used for actions that occurred and were completed at specific times in the past. Has gone would imply a present perfect tense, which does not fit a specific time in the past. A. I have known my best friend since we were 5. B. I knew my best friend since we were 5. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Have known is correct because the present perfect tense is used for actions that started in the past and continue into the present. Knew in the simple past suggests the action is no longer true, which contradicts the meaning. A. This time tomorrow, I will be flying to New York. B. This time tomorrow, I fly to New York. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Will be flying is correct because the future continuous tense is used to describe actions that will be happening at a specific future time. Fly in the simple present does not fit the future time reference. A. They will have finished dinner by the time we arrive. B. They will finish dinner by the time we arrive. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Will have finished is correct because the future perfect tense is used to describe actions that will be completed before a certain point in the future. Will finish suggests the action coincides with our arrival, not completes before it. A. For the past hour, she has been playing the piano. B. For the past hour, she plays the piano. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Has been playing is correct because the present perfect continuous tense is used for actions that began in the past and are still continuing or have recently stopped, with emphasis on the action's duration. Plays does not indicate ongoing action or duration. A. When I lived in London, I was taking the tube to work every day. B. When I lived in London, I took the tube to work every day. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Took is correct because the simple past tense is used for habitual actions in the past. Was taking in the past continuous would suggest a temporary or incomplete action, not a regular habit. A. While they were watching the documentary, they fell asleep. B. While they watched the documentary, they fell asleep. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Were watching is correct because the past continuous tense is used for actions that were in progress at a specific time in the past, especially when interrupted by another action. Watched suggests a completed action, not an ongoing one. A. By 2023, she will publish her novel. B. By 2023, she will have published her novel. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Will have published is correct because the future perfect tense is used for actions that will have been completed by a certain future time. Will publish does not convey the completion of the action before the specified time. A. She will share the news as soon as she arrives. B. She will have shared the news as soon as she arrives. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Will share is correct because the simple future tense is used for actions that will happen at a specific time in the future. Will have shared implies the action will be completed before she arrives, which contradicts the sequence suggested by as soon as she arrives. A. Every summer, we go to the countryside. B. Every summer, we are going to the countryside. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Go is correct because the simple present tense is used for habitual actions or routines. Are going would imply a specific plan for the immediate future, not a habitual action. A. Before she moved to Italy, she had been learning Italian for 2 years. B. Before she moved to Italy, she learned Italian for 2 years. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Had been learning is correct because the past perfect continuous tense is used to describe an action that was ongoing before another action in the past. Learned in the simple past suggests a completed action without the emphasis on the continuous aspect. A. By the time the meeting starts, I will have prepared the report. B. By the time the meeting starts, I will prepare the report. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Will have prepared is correct because the future perfect tense indicates an action that will be completed before a specified future time. Will prepare suggests the action will take place at the same time as the meeting, not before.
Don't miss out on our videos. Subscribe and hit the bell icon right now.
Taking your English
To the next level.
video by video.